Let's talk about how to analyze if your campaigns are having great results or not, and how you can see the data when your campaigns start running. We are here on the campaigns menu on the Google AdWords panel, and you see here your campaign. This is the one that we just created. If you want, you can enable, pause, or remove this campaign from here. Also, you have the status. Right now the campaign is paused. You have the default CPC, the cost per click, how much are you paying per click, how many clicks you have, how many impressions, the CTR, the average CPC, the cost, and the average post. Also at the top here, you have a graphic. If you are not seeing the graphic, you can click on the graphic icon here and you will start seeing some graphic of the clicks and impressions that you are having here in this specific area. And you can of course change this for click, impressions, CTR, and all these other options. You have more also competitive metric and Gmail metrics. You can compare with another. You can say, okay, let's compare clicks with impressions. So you will see both of them, two graphics, clicks in blue, impressions in orange here on the graphic. And also you can set the timeline if you want a monthly review, a quarterly review, weekly, or daily. That's up to you. And of course, right now we are not seeing this because it's a brand new campaign that we just created. If you at any moment you think that your campaign is not converting for some reason, you can come here at any time, go to campaigns, ad groups, and you can pause the campaign here and create a new one. Remember that the first campaigns that we are creating are usually not very successful. Not because you are new to this, it's because when we start advertising on one new channel, sometimes we need to invest a little bit of money, a little bit of time in order to find the right way and the right audience. The way that you advertise on Facebook is not the same way that you advertise on Google AdWords, for example. So if you are having success on Facebook ads and you want to start on Google AdWords, you need to save, you need to assign some amount of money as a, let's say, as a research fund. So you can create some ads, see how it goes until you find the ad that works fine on this channel, so you can replicate, you can and you can do it basically exponentially. If you are seeing a good return on investment on one ad, all you need to do is add more money to the ad machine and you will have more clicks and more conversions after that. So I hope you get the idea. This is how it works. You can also use the reports if you want. When you start getting more and more numbers and more results, you go to reports and you can watch all the activity on your account. Okay, I hope this is helpful. In the next video, we are creating a YouTube ad step by step. That will be only in one shot. So in the next video, the whole video will be from start to the end, creating a YouTube ad. Okay, see you there.